For more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app.
Hi. Hey, what's up? Thank you so much. I think this is such an important time to come together. Three Asian guys, three Asian artists with diverse musical backgrounds, but yet coming together. And Echo just has the perfect lyrics that relate to everything that's happening in the world right now. And it's just unbelievable that three Asians have come together and put out a song like this at such an important time in history. I've always believed that there would be a huge collaboration that would happen from Asia that would represent us in a bigger way globally. And I believe that Echo could be the start of that movement. And I'm really happy to be a part of this with such amazing talents like Eric and Kashmir. I don't know how I keep these secrets and surprises from my fans. I've written called AEK and then Echo backwards. I think that moment is just so precious when they don't expect anything, and you just give them such a cool surprise. So I have a lot of stuff in store for all my fans, and it's so beautiful to see all of them coming together and supporting us in something like this. And through Echo, actually amazing to be able to come together and see all of them come together and celebrate our music and this collaboration. With Eric, I think there's this genuine mutual admiration and appreciation we have for each other, even though we've never met each other in person. It's just so amazing that I've been able to connect with him, not only as a musician but also as a person. I really love that apart from beyond music, I love how vocal he is regarding all the issues pertaining to Asians. Well, Eric and I have had this Twitter friendship that kind of kick-started this collaboration. So I'm really happy to finally to have a track out there with him and with talented Kashmir. So I'm really happy with Echo being out there, and Armanians and the Nam Nation and Kashmir's fans, they've been just pouring in so much love for us. Just want to take a second there and thank all of them. When Echo was ready with Kashmir, I think we had one verse in place. For the second verse, I was really feeling that we really need an amazing artist, and it was simultaneously me and Eric exchanged these tweets, and our teams got connected, and I sent Eric the song, and he really loved Echo, and he put his verse on it, and it just elevated the track so much. So it's beautiful to have him on the song. And I sang my portions in Mumbai. Eric did his portions in Korea, and Kashmir produced the whole track and put it together. It's truly an international collaboration, and it's amazing how we've been able to pull it off during the whole lockdown situation and have it ready for you guys to, stream and love. And I think it's amazing. And Eric is such an amazing musician. I really love his music, and our friendship started here on Twitter, which is so cool.
Man, I told Armand this yesterday. I was like, I did not know that this was his first international collab, and I was like, oh man, I feel so honored. I feel so honored to be on this first collab with you, because it is like I don't know. I feel like when I did my first international collab, it was like a big moment for me too, of just man, I wonder what it's going to be like when it's it's all in English, and this is not in just the place where I'm known, which was at the time it was Korea. And so it feels like a very momentous occasion, and to be able to share that with Armand and with Kashmir, I think it's really cool. And I think this is the best that we could do, and it was just such a fun project to put together, and hopefully there will be many more like this in the future. Echo, 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 echo.
If me and Eric didn't exchange those tweets on Twitter, I don't think Echo would have ever taken birth.
True that.
But really, this is awesome. I want to thank Eric for being part of this song, Kashmir for being an integral part of the whole song. Listening to it on my phone for the longest time, and now it's out there for everyone. What's really special for me is that this is my first ever international collaboration. I haven't ever done something like this before. Thank you to all my fans, all the K-pop fans, Nam Nation, Armanians. I think Eric is already shouted out everyone. But lots of love to everyone out here who's listening to us. It's truly an amazing day for everyone. Thank you so much. You guys have loved my music. It means so much to me. It means the world to me. So thank you. Thank you to all my fans that love me so much. I love you guys. Love you so much.
तो आगे भी कई सारी वीडियोस को एंजॉय करने के लिए प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लाइक करना मत भूलना।